So I've had a request for a video of what I eat every day for my lunch. So if children are watching this video, please make sure you have adult supervision or permission before you cook. Be careful with especially the stove and knives. This video is not made for kids, although kids can watch it. There's nothing bad in here. So first what I do is I take a chicken breast, which I buy them frozen, and I boil it just to cook the outside. I chop up some cabbage, Napa cabbage, and put it in a bowl. I prepare some leek and garlic and lemon. I have chopped up the chicken breast. As you see, it wasn't cooked all the way through. If you cook it too much in the boiling water, then it will be quite dry. And I do recommend using a separate cutting board, but for our video purposes today, I did use here. And then we are gonna fry everything up in a frying pan. So with the heat on high, I heat up my pan and I like to add avocado oil. I find that this makes the food crispier. So I add about a tablespoon of that into my frying pan. Heat it up. And then I will be adding all of these ingredients as well as some crushed red pepper and salt. Okay, so starting to cook. It looks like this. Now I will be squeezing half of a lemon into there to add some citrus. I heard you can get more out of the lemon if you cut it diagonally, like the long ways. But I cut it like this today. And we are going to just keep cooking until it gets nice and crispy. Stirring occasionally. And while that cooks, I am going to add some sesame oil to my cabbage. So I just drizzle a little bit of that on there. Okay, this has been cooking for about 5 minutes. So it is done. You can see it's pretty crispy, almost turning charcoal. And we can add it to our cabbage. I just plop it onto my cabbage there, and I'm going to add some sesame seeds for garnish, and I will mix it up and eat it. And that is what I eat every day almost for lunch, my cabbage chicken salad. Now it is keto. If you don't eat keto, you could always add some rice in there and make it a kind of rice stir-fry salad. Hope you like it. If not, you were just curious what I eat. This is what I eat. I love it. I eat it almost every day. Thanks for watching.